To keep your local files in sync with OneDrive or SharePoint, Microsoft provides the OneDrive Sync Client tool to do this automatically for you. But there are some limitations that you need to be aware of, and if you violate any of these limitations, you may experience issues when syncing your files. To start with, you cannot have any of the following strings in your file names. The file name cannot include icon.lock, con, prn, iux, inul, com1 to 9, or lpt 1 to 9. If your file name contains any of these combinations, it will not sync. In addition, you cannot have any of the following characters in your file or folder names: the greater than or less than signs, a colon, quotes, the pipe, a question mark, an asterisk, or either slash. In addition to the invalid characters for folder names, you also cannot have a folder name with _t in it, or _w, as well as the word forms. As the number of files to be synced reaches 100,000, the performance will degrade if storing all the files in a single OneDrive for Business site or Teams site library. To work around this, design a folder structure to accommodate the 100,000 file limit. Using the OneDrive client, the maximum file size upload currently for OneDrive for Business is 15 gig. During the year of 2020, this limit should be increased. The max file size upload for OneDrive is 100 gig. There is also a 400 character limit for full path names. Be sure to keep your paths, including file names, under 400 characters. Another limitation of OneDrive locations is they cannot be assigned to Mac or network drives. There are a few Windows-specific restrictions and limitations that you need to know about. The OneDrive app must be installed on the local system. The user must have permission to write to the user profile, and the user's profile with the data must be available without a network connection. These are some of the examples of the limitations when using OneDrive. Always refer to the Microsoft support pages for more information as it pertains to your specific environment.